Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and welcome to Job of the Day. So if you're a air conditioning and refrigeration technician and you're looking for a full-time permanent role out there, maybe you have been contracting yourself and sick and tired of chasing both the work and the dollars, then this position may be of interest to you. So we've got a company based on the Gold Coast and they're looking for a full-time Friggy, and they specialise in residential and some commercial split systems and ducted air conditioning. So if you've got some experience in that area, then we'd be interested in having a chat. Again, it's a permanent, full-time salaried role, company vehicle, phone, etc., uniforms. So, and it's for an immediate start. So if you're out there and you're looking for some work at the moment, or you know somebody who may be interested in this role, then please have a look at the application. I'll put the link in the show notes below. And please, again, feel free to like and share this and let anybody know that you also may know an industry that might be looking. Kent, once again, from Apprentice Recruit, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.